Oh, oh, Chongqing. I wanna see Chongqing. Oh, oh, Melly wanna see Chongqing, Chongqing, oh yeah.
Chongqing, China, my favorite city in all of mainland China. Love Chongqing. I got 39 videos that I filmed there, and this is my second time. I filmed another time, so I have another dozen or so. But this particular one is in this very, very popular tourist site, Hangya cave. So you can see some of the images behind me, and I'm going to be narrating and talking about it later. But I'll just give you a little bit of a background. But I was kind of doing a little bit of searching, and this has been there since 1040s BC. That's what, 3,000 years ago. So there was the Ba clans, the Ba state. So this is kind of like a loose conglomeration of different peoples, and so they built the original fortress in this location. Is what I was reading about. But anyways, now it's part of a giant city of Chongqing, a massive area, and it's so crowded. And I just love Chongqing, and it's just, you're gonna feel all the energy of this place and all the people. This is an 11-story building, and in this particular video, we're just exploring the top part, just the kind of the rooftop and the floors, like just immediately below. We're just scratching the surface. And I'm gonna do some more in the future, and in the coming weeks and months, showing you other parts of this big giant Hangya cave. But anyways, what a cool place, what a cool city. Chongqing, let's get into it. Tons and tons of people going up to this music bar, and if you're curious, there's an 8-tower hotel right there, which is equally possibly interesting. And then over there is the Chongqing Art Museum, those red blocks over there. And then over here, you got a ton of people all over the place with their umbrellas, some of them without. And it looks like we're going to be walking down this way and kind of seeing where they're all going and seeing what's all here, because I'm not sure myself. But I know that we're here.
Oh, oh, Chongqing. I wanna see Chongqing. Oh, oh, Melly wanna see Chongqing, Chongqing, oh yeah.
Okay, so I guess what we're gonna do is meander like this. Now I'm gonna walk over that way in a moment. I think that's part of the restaurant. So I think they have to enter into that restaurant to get this view over here. And it's raining right now, so. Okay, so now I see. So now they're getting this view over here. So we're gonna try to get that view as well. Huh. This is kind of interesting. And it looks like, so this is kind of the layout of the city. Can you get, let me just kind of see what this is all about. Oh, wow. You know, I've been to this before, but I didn't know that I knew people were coming from these big steps. So that's actually an entrance into it as well from up here. So I didn't know how that worked. So these are all going down the steps, and they're starting from this location. Huh. That's really, really cool. So just for some reference points, we're not too far from the Chongqing Museum of Art, that red building straight ahead, on the other side of this A-Tour hotel. I guess I'll just follow these crowds. Wow, they're actually walking all the way down like that. Crazy. Huh. Am I crazy if I go down that way as well and just follow them into that tunnel? Would that be completely insane? So they separate it. So it's like this. Okay, well I'm gonna follow it down and I'll turn on the camera once we get into there a little bit more. Little panda person. So some people are going this way and some people are going this way. And I don't know if this is part of a restaurant. I just don't know. Chongqing is just filled with surprises. There's just so much kind of stuff you don't expect pretty much everywhere. So I'm going to navigate through this crowd on the other side. And it looks like there's an entrance that says it's free. Hongya cave. So they're actually going into a cave. But what I want to do is catch the views. And I'm also kind of curious what they're going down there for. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so I have seen this before, but I haven't seen it in quite a while. I only saw it from down below. I took a bus about 4 years ago and I came into that. I had no idea you could actually access it from up here near the Macau Art Museum. Sorry, I live in Macau, so I'm saying it. But it's kind of cool as well. I see a lot of people in Chongqing with these sticks. That makes that even more interesting. So I think I can just go down here. And I think this is part of this. Hello. I don't know if they charged me or something. Yeah, this is so funny because I went around it. I came here in a really different way. So I went all the way down to the ground, and now I can see it in a totally different way. Restaurant. This is super cool. There's the waterfront and the bridge. Oh, so those people that were going, they're walking out on the bridge. So that's where they were going. So that was that. Hello. Wow. Wow. I love Chongqing. Such a cool city. So these overlook the water, so they'll have this amazing view. And there's a riverboat right down there as well. Wow. This is super cool. So that's where we just came down from all the way from up that way. So I think I'm going to go down this way. And I think we're going to look for some food. The food here is really tasty. So checking out this place. Wow, the smell is really powerful. Like that would taste so good. These are so tasty right there. Oh, those look so good. Yeah. Oh, that's good. I like it. I love Chongqing. So I should come to an ending to this video in just a moment, but I'm just going to come over to the waterfront. I'll get a view over here. Oh, they're lined up for the restaurant, I think. Elevator. So that's the one that we'll view right there. And so they're taking the elevator and they're going to go all the way down. And we can also take that roof right there as well. And on that note, we're going to end this video. So a little taste of Chongqing, I didn't expect that. So we started at the A-Tour Hotel and ended up in this space here.